Can you imagine being able to capture the entire experience in one picture? With a 360-degree camera, it's possible. This digital device can capture high-resolution panoramic images from all angles, making it ideal for capturing sporting events, concerts, travel, and more. They also offer us such brutally immersive sensations that are impossible to achieve with typical conventional cameras. If you're interested, we have selected the 5 best 360-degree cameras in 2024 just for you. Let's dive right in. For those seeking top value for their money, the Insta360 One RS stands out as the best 360-degree camera on the market in 2024. This versatile camera boasts a modular design, allowing users to customize it with different combinations or models to maximize its utility in various situations. Its lightweight and compact build makes it ideal for carrying anywhere. The Insta360 One RS offers an array of features such as slow motion, night mode, HDR mode, hyperlapse, and time machine, enabling you to capture stunning shots wherever you are. It can be controlled by voice and syncs with your phone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, adding convenience to its list of benefits. Moreover, the camera is waterproof up to 5 meters, enhancing its durability and usability in different environments. One of the standout features of the Insta360 One RS is its ability to shoot up to 6K in a 360-degree format. Despite its traditional look, it excels at capturing everything around it, making it perfect for activities like motorcycle routes. The 4K boost lens significantly enhances image quality with a new 48MP sensor that produces detailed 4K videos at 60 FPS and 48MP photos. The camera's interchangeable design ensures it remains robust and durable. You can slow down the action up to 8 times with the 4K boost lens or capture moments in slow motion 4 times slower than real time with the 360-degree lens. Not only does it shoot in 4K, but it also maxes out at 6K with a classic 2.35:1 aspect ratio for widescreen viewing. Regardless of which lens is used, the camera delivers incredibly smooth and sharp images. The powerful RS core now offers in-camera flow state stabilization when combined with wide-angle lenses, ensuring high-quality video stability. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Next on our review list is the Ricoh Theta X, the best 360-degree camera for stills in 2024. One of its standout features is the large, responsive touchscreen. This addition allows users to control the device and preview images and videos directly on the camera without needing to connect it to another device, making it highly practical. The Theta X now comes with a removable battery, providing a convenient solution for extended shooting sessions. It can handle about 30 minutes of video or 200 photos on a single charge. To complement its 46GB internal memory, the camera also includes a micro SD slot, significantly enhancing its storage capacity. Ricoh has traditionally prioritized photo quality, but the Theta X shows a shift towards greater versatility, especially in video capabilities. The camera features 2 1.5-inch sensors, enabling it to capture 360-degree photos at a stunning 60MP resolution. This results in sharp dynamic images, even in indoor settings where Auto HDR mode helps reduce overexposure and capture intricate details. Although Ricoh's previous models focused more on photography, the Theta X steps up its game with video recording. It can shoot up to 25 minutes of footage in 5.7K at 30 FPS or 4K at 60 FPS. An added feature is the image recomposition function built directly into the camera, which saves significant processing time by eliminating the need for post-shoot software adjustments. Additionally, footage can now be recorded on micro SD cards, a handy improvement over previous models. The battery and micro SD card slot are accessible through the same opening, making it easy to switch out components during shoots. The camera can also be charged via USB Type-C, ensuring you're always ready to capture the next shot. Good stuff! Introducing the GoPro Max, widely regarded as the best action 360-degree camera on the market in 2024. Perfect for capturing thrilling sports escapades and outdoor adventures, this camera excels in versatility. It functions as a 360-degree camera, a hero camera, and an ultra-wide angle camera. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 5 meters without needing a case. Post-editing with the GoPro app is straightforward, especially when converting 360-degree videos into traditional 2D movies using the overcapture feature. The GoPro Max carries forward many features from its predecessor, the GoPro Hero 8 Black, including hyper-smooth stabilization and time warp for 360-degree footage. Sturdy and waterproof, this camera is built for rugged sports outing. For those who want to capture action sequences from every direction without worrying about aiming the camera, the GoPro Max is an ideal choice. Using it with a vented helmet mount and an arrow extension mount ensures you capture everything around you effortlessly. Whether you're climbing a mountain, skydiving, or biking at sunset, you can trust this camera to document all your precious moments. Editing 360-degree videos is a breeze with the GoPro app, which is user-friendly and quick. You don't need a computer to upload your videos to social media. Your smartphone will do the trick. With the latest software update, you now have GoPro Player for desktop editing on both Windows and Mac. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. For those willing to invest in a premium product, the Ricoh Theta Z1 stands out as the best high-end 360-degree camera in 2024. Commonly used by real estate agencies for creating virtual tours of properties, this camera offers exceptional image quality. The Ricoh Theta Z1 can capture 23 megapixel photos, 6720 by 3360 pixels, and 4K video. However, what really sets it apart is its use of 1-inch sensors, larger than those found in most other 360-degree cameras, resulting in superior image quality. This enhanced photographic capability makes the Theta Z1 a standout choice, delivering better raw photos and more control over exposure settings. It excels in low-light conditions, outperforming many other models. Another notable improvement is its increased internal memory, now at 19 gigabytes, making it more suitable for video recording. If you're looking to create virtual tours of venues, restaurants, hotels, or other businesses, the Ricoh Theta Z1 is the top semi-professional camera for 360-degree photography. With two 1-inch 23MP BSI sensors, the Theta Z1 excels in indoor and low-light photography. It supports JPG, RAW, and HDR formats, offering flexibility for different shooting conditions. The dual lenses have an aperture of f/2.1 and a focal length of 7.5 millimeters, providing excellent dynamic range and a large depth of field. Ease of use is another strong point. Users find it highly intuitive to operate. Additionally, the Adobe Lightroom plugin allows for professional-grade editing. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily control the camera from your smartphone or tablet and transfer images seamlessly. If you have the cash for this beast, we say go for it. And now, meet the Insta360 X4, crowned the best overall 360-degree camera for 2024. Building on its predecessor's design, the X4 is slightly taller and narrower, expanding the touchscreen from 2.29 to 2.5 inches. This larger screen enhances usability and looks fantastic. The new design also features removable lens protectors thanks to convenient notches around the lens, much simpler than the sticky protectors of earlier models. The Insta360 X4 remains waterproof up to 10 meters without additional housing and up to 50 meters with underwater housing. It also boasts resilience in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. The battery size is increased to 2290 mAh, offering 67% more capacity than the X3. This means you can record for 135 minutes in 5.7K and up to 71 minutes in 8K resolution. The standout feature of the X4 is its ability to record in 8K at 25 and 30 FPS, producing videos with a resolution of 7680 by 3840 pixels. For 360-degree video, this translates to more flexibility when reframing, allowing for faster zooms and more extreme crops while maintaining detail and sharpness. At 5.7K resolution, the X4 can now record at 50 and 60 FPS, enabling 2K slow motion. In 4K, it reaches speeds of up to 100 frames per second. The bullet time mode has also been upgraded to 5.7K resolution and can record at 120 FPS. The Insta360 app introduces a new editing mode that includes a virtual joystick for easier camera movement and offers AI-assisted editing options. The X4 now features a USB-C 3.0 connection, enhancing data reading speeds from 39 to 92 Mbps and data transfer speeds from 19 to 30 Mbps. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.